Hi, grade sixes. Today what we're going to do is we're going to learn to take mixed numbers and change them into improper fractions. So just a quick reminder of what we did last day. I'll just do it in red over here on the sides. We took improper fractions and we wrote them as mixed numbers last day. And we did this a couple different ways. Just a reminder, the denominator, the bottom number, always tells us what a whole is split up into. So for example, in this case they're split up into 3, and this is saying I've got 11 thirds, so I've actually got 11 of these third pieces. So there's 3, there's 4, there's 5, there's 6, there's 7, there's 8, there's 9, here's 10, 11, and you can see that's all I had. So you can see here, when we're doing this and we're trying to write a mixed number, we want to write the number of whole numbers at the beginning. So you can see I have 1 whole, 2 whole, 3 wholes. So I'm going to put 3 in the front, and you can see I've got 2 out of 3 in my last one. So you can see 11 thirds has 3 wholes and then 2 out of 3 left over. So you'd write it as this. Now what we're going to do is we're just going the opposite way. We're going to now write this from a mixed to an improper fraction. So the example we've got today is over here. So 3 1/4. So just a reminder, the denominator always tells us what our wholes are split up into. So if I wanted to do this, I have to remember it's now split up into 4 pieces. Okay, and I've got 3 wholes of these. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I've got 3 wholes. And you just color those in. Okay, almost there. Here's my second whole piece. Here's my third whole piece, and you can see the last thing I've got here is I've got a situation where I've got 1 out of the 4 pieces. So all I'm doing when I'm doing improper is I'm just going to count up how many pieces I've got and divide it by or put it over top of what a whole is cut into. So in this case I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So my numerator is 13. My denominator is it's cut into pieces of 4. So it's 13 over 4. Now, I know some of us are probably looking for a bit of a shortcut. Okay, so I'm just going to show you kind of a quick shortcut here to do it. If you take your whole number in front and you multiply it by your denominator, you will end up getting 3 times 4 is 12, and then just add your numerator to it. So 12 plus 1 gives you 13. That is your numerator. So just a reminder, if you want a shortcut, 3 times 4, so the mixed number times the whole number times the denominator, and then just add the numerator to it. Will give you your total numerator on top. Here I can show you with a different question. So let's say you had 5 2/5. Just remember the shortcut method is take your whole number, which is the 5, multiply it to the denominator. That means you've got 25, and then add the 2 to it, and that's 27. And remember the piece size is 5. There you go. I hope that gets you started. Have a good one, grade 6s.